It's so mild. It's, oh my goodness, it's guys. So if that person is the one, girl, you know that happiness you feel when a champagne is popped? You like, hey, yeah, like into the night. What are they talking about? First impression memories are very remarkable memories that are really hard to forget, and the way you smell is one salient first impression you would want to leave in the heart or in the minds of the people you meet, especially if that person is very special to you. In today's video, I will be sharing some affordable yet classic and unique scent of body splash that Bath and Body Works had in their stores this year. Some are old scents and some are new, and trust me, these are very affordable. It's less than $20. And Bath and Body Works have sales, like countless sales all the time. So if you have coupons, it will even be more affordable to you, because I got these splashes, I think for $4.25. Yes, because I had some coupons, and I think they were running sales for all the body cares for $4.25. Trust me on this, these smell amazing. Come to think of it, not all of us have the $100 or $200 to purchase all these designer perfumes. You can still smell good and expensive using these body splashes that I will be showing you, or even more. These are just my collections, so it's just a few. I have just 5 that I'll be showing you, but there are more in the Bath and Body Works store and in their collections that you can lay your hands on. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Christina. I am a nurse and I braid part-time. On here I do videos on nursing, hair and beauty, lifestyle, and a bit of everything. If you have any video suggestions for me, please drop them in the comment section. And we are still in the season of Vlogmas, okay? Hope you're planning for your Christmas, guys. Let me just put this across. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I don't feel the Christmas vibe. I haven't even put up my tree or anything like that. I don't know what's going on, but guys, drop it in the comment section. Don't let me be on this journey alone. Let me know in the comment section, are you feeling the same? I am not just feeling the vibe, but hey, we got this, okay? And regardless, I am so grateful that God has protected my family and myself and you wonderful people out there till this far. From January till now, it ain't easy, okay? So let's just get straight into the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, okay guys? Subscribe. So this is the first scent I will be talking about. So this is the first fragrance I'll be talking about. It's In the Stars. Yeah, guys. And as a healthcare worker, we are told in school to limit the perfumes and the scents that we put on ourselves, because these residents have their own preferences and stuff, and sometimes they get irritated even smelling, you know, from you. It might be a good scent, but they may not like it. So for me, I try as much as I can to stay mild with scents that I take to work. I don't do hot perfumes or harsh perfumes. I try to do mild, and body splashes is what I wear to work, and this one does the job, guys. These are the ingredients that are in this. It says star flower, sandalwood musk, sugar tangelo, white agarwood, radiant amber, and it says make every moment glow with an addictive fragrance that radiates from start to finish like the stars above. And it's indeed in the stars, trust me. It doesn't smell really harsh, it's so mild. It's, oh my goodness, it's so mild, and the smell is just amazing. Trust me, if you don't have that $100, $200 to get yourself that designer perfume that you have been dreaming for, trust me on this. Trust me guys on this. This does amazing, and it equally gives that rich vibe as a $200 perfume would give you. So please get hooked on this one, okay? Guys, so far, trust me, so far, I would say this is one of my favorite. Fairytale, it's one of my favorite. Oh, sometimes it's really hard to describe like the scent, and it's so amazing how they get the names to comprehend with the scent, because trust me, it's indeed a fairy tale. It's indeed a fairy tale. It has some sort of scent I'm trying to remember, like a perfume that I used way back in Ghana, and this is the fragrance notes. It says it has pomegranate nectar, fresh orange blossom, vanilla bean, warm amber. Oh, vanilla bean. That's why, because you know vanilla doesn't have like a sharp scent, and this is what gives. So mild, so soft, it's so soothing. And this is also one scent I wear to work because it's not harsh. It's so calm, and it makes you like and it makes you feel so good. It has something here that says write your own story and get whisked away on an adventure through lush woods where the air is filled with magic and the fairy tale finding it up to you, warm and fresh with a hint of magic. I said it. So warm, so calm and fresh with a hint of magic. So this is one amazing scent, and I recommend that to you. How are you?
How are you?
Alright guys, so this is also one amazing scent that I have in my collection. Mommy's doing a video. Okay, keep quiet. Alright, so this is one amazing scent I have in my collection. Guys, just as the name says, you are the one. This is the scent you would want to wear on that special date, that romantic date. Please get this in your collection and wear it to that date, and it will speak volume. It gives you that richness, it gives you that unique scent, and oh my god, put it on yourself and go on the date with that person. Just as the name says, you are the one. Okay, so if that person is the one, girl, you put in this on for them, right? Okay, and this says these are actually the ingredients. It says white birch, velvety rose, and a drop of strawberry nectar. Oh my god, you know, there are some ingredients when you mention, you're like, oh, that is why this smells so good. Strawberry nectar, just imagine strawberry. And the note here says you are confident, sparkling, beautiful, you are the one. Yes, 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 yes. Put it on if the person is the one, and put it on if the person has told you you are indeed the one. Okay, let this do the magic. Oh my god, this is an old scent from Bath and Body Works, Champagne Toast. They have the candle as well, and I love the candle as well. And mind you, all these splashes just have like their own combinations. It comes with a soap, it comes with a shower gel, it comes with body scrub. So if you really want to maintain one scent throughout, I know there are people like that, they don't want to be using mixtures. Okay, it will do the job. Like you can get all these, you can get the splash, the gel, the body scrub, and you use that to maintain that one scent. So the moment someone smells that, they're like, oh, that is Christina coming, they know it's a registered scent for you. You can do that as well, but if not, it will still do the same job if you use just the splash. And Champagne Toast, Champagne Toast, I don't know how they come about these names. As I said, like, it just, you know, that happiness you feel when a champagne is popped, you like, hey, yeah, this is it. It speaks volume, it gives you that richness. I am even short of words because I don't even know how to describe this. Get yourself one and you will thank me later. And this is the original price, but I got it for $4.25. It was on sale, and you can get yourself one as well. And this is the fragrance note. It says bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine, and it has some great ingredients here that summed up to make this wonderful fragrance. Get yourself a Champagne Toast and you will thank me later. Okay, so this is the last fragrance in my collection of body splashes. My cousin hooked me on this, and for a moment I just doubted her, but trust me, this does magic. As the name goes again, into the night. Did the name ring a bell? Like, into the night, what are they talking about? Guys, into the night, does it ring a bell? Trust me guys, Oh my god. Then again, I still don't get how, I mean, Bath and Body Works is doing amazing. I just still don't get how they get all these names, because this scent is indeed into the night. It is indeed into the night. It also comes with the lotion, the soap, the shower gel. So if you want to feel special and ready for the evening, just as the name says, into the night. Yeah, you put this on in the night, and this is what I do. I don't wear this daytime, just as the name says. I just obey the name and it does magic. Yeah, I wear this evening time and it is super good. It smells good. The fragrance note says raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, cream patchouli, mocha musk, and evoke natural confidence and brilliant beauty from the beginning of your day into the night. But I don't use it like in the day. I have never tried it on the day before. I just go by the name. Like, okay, it makes sense, like you can start the day into the night though, but I just use it in the nighttime. Yeah. You can start this off in the day going into the night. So please get yourself one, as I was hooked on, and now I am testifying that it makes you smell and feel amazing. Guys, get yourself one and let me know in the comment section of all these splashes that I have shown you. Let me know in the comment section if you have used one before. If not, and if you want to try, this is not a paid partnership. These are splashes that I have used and I love the scent. I know it's amazing, and I know we are in hard time. Like, the economy is getting so like tough, you know, prices are going up and all that, and Christmas is approaching. You want to feel special, you want to smell good on that date night and stuff like that. So I just decided to share this amazing scent I have in my collection of body splash, so you can grab one. If you have a Bath and Body Works in your area, just get hooked on these. And guys, trust me, you wouldn't need any perfume to do the magic. This will just be enough for you, and you will save some money, especially if they are having sales. On this note, guys, this is the end of today's video. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and be part of this family. I will be back on your screens tomorrow with another video. Thank you so much, guys, and I really appreciate your support and your love. Thank you so much. God bless you. And if we get to 1,000 subscribers, I would definitely do a giveaway on this. If you want this, guys, share my videos and let people subscribe so we get to 1,000 subscribers. I know the year has almost ended, but we can still do something. Okay, share my videos, tell your friends, tell your family, let them subscribe, and I will give you this for free. All right, guys, thank you so much, and God bless you. I will see you in the next video. But before I go, always know you are unique in your own special way, and there's a seed of success in every failure. So whenever failure knocks you down, please don't stay there. Get up, shake the failure down, and forge ahead, and victory will be yours in the name of Jesus. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.